Hi, I'm Shane.
And I'm Lex from pdq.com.
And there's a lot of ways to add computers to your PDQ inventory database.
One of the great ways of doing it is a network scan.
That's right.
To do that, you can go to Computers, Add Computers, and then pick Network Discovery.
Yep, that's it. So here you've got a couple of options for adding. Number one, you can enter an IP address or a subnet. In this case, we've got an entire subnet.
Now, interesting thing I want to point out on this is if you've got a really aggressive security team, you're definitely going to let them know that you're going to run this, because it is going to go out and try to ping and then scan all these machines.
Correct. We're going to do it, just to speed it up, we're going to do a range.
Okay.
So we'll do 172.16. Let's just do 20.
Through 255?
Yeah.
200.
Yeah, let's do 200.
All right.
Cool. So that's another way you can do it if you don't want to enter the subnet, is just a range. Now there's also exclusions. Maybe there's some computers or even ranges that you don't want to be scanned. Maybe your domain controller or something like that.
You can do a range there also.
And notice a little warning, discovery will take longer when offline status does not ping before scanning. So we'll just click that. That takes you to the preferences window.
Now, I'd suggest you do this understanding is hit that ping before scanning. It's going to make things a little more efficient. Instead of just launching an SMB attempt, it's going to go and ping and see if the machine's answering.
Correct. The one caveat there is the ping before scanning. Basically, anytime from here on out that you attempt to scan a machine, it's going to send a ping out that see if that machine's online. If it's not online, it won't even bother making the SMB connection.
It's going to wait up to 2 seconds.
Up to 2 seconds. That's the caveat. It waits up to 2 seconds. So if you do have some latency issues in your network where pings take longer than 2 seconds or 2,000 milliseconds, then be careful having this enabled.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got
a range.
Got our range. We'll just say start discovery, and obviously we're making sure that the scan user that was listed there is the administrative account on these machines.
That way, when it actually does do the scan, you've got credentials to go do that.
Correct, and that does go a lot faster when you have that ping before.
Yeah. Perfect.
So now you can see that it's added these computers and it's just attempting the scan using those credentials. So yet another way of adding computers to your environment.
This is a great way, but again, probably a best practice, add it from Active Directory if you can.
Yeah, AD sync if you're using Active Directory, that is the best way, because you can always keep on top. A new computer's added to AD, it can be added here. It's removed from AD, it can be removed here. So, all right, I'm Shane.
I'm Lex. Thanks for watching.